Hello, trader. Hope that you had an enjoyable day. As you can see, first day of trading week, looking at XAUUSD, we have seen that as expected in the beginning of the market open, we have seen XAUUSD had a very strong bounce to the upside, and after that, in this lower time frame, we have seen that consolidation and then again breakdown. So before we look at now where we can find next trading opportunity on the lower time frame, let's quickly look at higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market on XAU USD. Now, from the monthly, we can see that this is a bull market starting from here, pretty strong bounce followed by pullback. And we can see that there is another bounce. And with that bounce, currently XAU USD is in a very strong bullish momentum. And with that momentum, currently the price is coming down for a deeper pullback. As it is a higher time frame, we may see lower time frame pullback. And to look at, let's quickly look at the weekly chart to see how the price is doing. Now, from the weekly perspective, we can see that this is also bull market starting from here. This is an impulse followed by this correction, and we have seen that in this correction, 3 weeks of narrow doji formation with a sideways movement on XAU USD. And we have seen that back to back two bullish candle from the weekly. Now this week after the market open, we have seen that there is a bounce and an immediate rejection towards the downside on this instrument, and we might see now deeper pullback as back to back 2 weeks of bullish move. This week we have seen that break of structure and then started to drop. We may see now deeper pullback on XAU USD. Dropping down to the daily chart, what we can see that from the daily also showing bullish price action, but today we have seen that after break of this high, the price now coming down for a deeper pullback as well. And we can see that in this area there is a bounce pullback and another bounce, and this is the daily candlestick pattern. And on the daily price action, what we have seen that so far after break of this high, the market has got immediate rejection towards the downside on the daily time frame, and expecting for this market to come down for further downside for another pullback towards the downside. Now, from the intraday perspective, from the 4 hour, we can see that there is a bearish engulfer. So far, this candle is closing, which is after this green candle immediate rejection. We might see that potential head and shoulder formation and then deeper pullback as the market failed to create a new higher high. There is a strong rejection, may result gold to drop back down to deeper pullback. It might even come back to this liquidity zone. This is just a prediction, guys. Make sure that you also do your own analysis. What I think that after a initial lower time frame pullback, we might see that gold again coming down as we have seen with this green candle basically manipulated. Now if we look at the 15-minute chart to see how the market is doing, we can see that in this lower time frame there is a bounce consolidation breakdown, so which is forming a kind of head and shoulder. We have seen there is a consolidation pattern in that area, and then breakdown sideways movement could lead that price back to this support level. So in this 15 minutes time frame, we will be waiting for liquidity candle formation. Any liquidity candle formation in that area on XAU USD, we will be looking for going short with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. And also for more free education, you can join the free Telegram channel. You find the link in the description area. With that said, thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.